Hey, welcome to our channel. Today about a person, it's Padman.
Arunachalam Murugananthan is popularly known as Padman of India. He is social entrepreneur from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. He is popularly known for his inventory that is low-cost sanitary napkins machine. In 1998 Muruga was worried to Shanti. Shortly he discovered his wife collecting filthy rags and newspapers to use during her menstrual time, as napkins from companies are too costly for them. This hurted him much, so that he decided to prepare sanitary napkins by himself, so he started to work on that. He made many samples and asked his wife to use and give feedbacks. He felt frustrated about that, but he didn't give up his hope. All decided that something has happened to him. All thought someone kept black magic to him, so he is getting mad and speaking stupid things. Day by day his wife go away from him and started to live separately from him. Due to his experiments, she even applied for divorce to leave him. Then he decided to test his samples with medical college girls, as they will be known about these things, and won't hesitate about his experiments. So he gave samples to some students with a feedback sheet, but unfortunately he failed in that also. Even the medical students was not ready to share those things to a man. Then while drinking tea he got an idea of testing those napkins by himself. So he bought some animal's blood and other stuff to test himself, wear the pad, and during work time he tested, which also failed. Then he decided to get used napkins from women, which is very much difficult than any of past attempts. Somehow he managed to get those, and he still wasn't happy because he failed in that attempt, so he decided to test those cottons from his self-made sanitary pad and corporate sanitary pad. Then he found that the cotton used in corporate is cellulose fiber from pine bark wood, and it took 2 years to find. He found that imported sanitary machine costs around 35 million, so he decided to make a low-cost sanitary pad maker which defibrates, preserves and sterilize the pads under UV light. The machine he made costs around 65,000 rupees, which is very much low when compared to imported one. In 2006, he visited IIT Madras to show his ideas and receive suggestions. There they registered his invention for National Innovation Grassroots Technological Innovation Award. He completed 943 innovation, and his innovation won the award. From that he received funds for his innovation. Then he started Jaishree Industries, which markets and sells his machine all over rural areas. After receiving his patent, he decided not to sell to any corporate industries. He started to provide machines to women-based organizations, as it will be helpful for them financially, and also many women will be employed with his invention. To many northern rural areas he himself approaches the places, teach women about working in machine, which helped many women financially. Murugananthan has become social entrepreneur because of his invention. He gave lectures to many institutes including IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIM Ahmedabad, universities etc. Also gave TED Talk. His story was inspired to movies and documentaries like *Menstrual Man, *Pulu, *Padman, *. End of sentence.